looking at him live. All right, go ahead.
The 36th District Court in the state of Michigan is now in session. The Honorable Judge Marlena Taylor is now presiding. At this time, there will be no talking, no smoking, no chewing gum, no eating or drinking, no sleeping or laying down, no driving or riding in a moving vehicle. Please keep your device on mute until addressed by staff. Also, keep your device on a leveled surface so that your face may be seen. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Mr. Ware, can you hear us?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right. Okay. Attorney, are you ready on his matter?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Now calling the case of the matter of People versus Delmar Raphael Ware. This is U ticket 628-40222. This is one count of selling loose cigarettes. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
May it please the court, Giovanni Flower, on behalf of Mr. Ware.
Mr. Ware, can you say?
One.
Go ahead.
I'm sorry, P47711.
And sir, can you state your name for the record, please?
Delmar Raphael Ware.
And I want to correct myself, it's illegal business practices is the ticket. This is a date and time set for a trial in this matter, so I do have an officer on. Officer, can you state your name for the record, please?
How you doing, Your Honor? Bruce Lawrence, Batch 41, Detroit Transit Police.
All right, counsel, how do you wish to proceed today?
Your Honor, I'm asking the court for a short adjournment. I was just retained by Mr. Ware's family yesterday, and so I need an opportunity to investigate and find out what's going on with this matter, if the court would please.
All right. Unfortunately, I don't have anything called a short adjournment. Let me see. I don't. Look at your calendar for July 18th. That's about the soonest I have.
That's fine, Judge.
All right, that'll be a bench trial. Officer, are you available that day or are you on furlough?
No, I'll be there.
Okay, we'll see you for a bench trial on the date of July 18th, 2023 at 9 a.m. Bond will continue at this point in time.
No problem.
Judge.
All right, thank you so much. Y'all have a great day, okay?
All right, you do the same.
I will, thank you. Be careful. All right, Mr. Ware, you're all set. We'll see you back for your trial on July 18th, okay?
Yeah, you say July 18th?
Yes, July 18th, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
All right, bye-bye. Mr. Washington, what we do? Mr. Washington, Anthony Washington?
Yes.
Sir, do you have a case number?
Yes,
All right, can I have it, please? All right.
SP 14557591.
Okay, thank you. 1 second. Your hearing isn't until June 5th, sir. June 5th.
June 5th.
Yeah, you're a month early.
Oh, okay.
You have a formal hearing, you asked for a hearing. with
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, it's on June 5th, okay? So come back and see me June 5th, okay?
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome. See you then, okay?
All right.
All right, bye-bye, sir.
Bye.
Thank you.
Mr. Ward,
Yes.
is there a reason you left Zoom?
Yeah, my signal had went away. Oh, I'm at work, and the attorney needed to see my headlights to make sure, and the receipt to the bulbs to make sure that I fixed my defective equipment. So I had to go downstairs to my truck, and I got on the elevator, and it lost signal. But he said it'll reconnect by itself again. But I guess it did.
Do you remember which breakout room you were in?
Yes, I was in room 12.
Okay, I'm gonna
He's
put you
all
back.
set. He does not need to go back to the breakout room. He showed me his equipment and his insurance. He's ready to proceed when the court's ready. So
Okay, then I'm gonna put you in a waiting room now, and the judge will bring you out when she's ready to hear your case.
Okay.
Paris Young.
Yes,
Good morning, ma'am. Are you Paris Young?
yes.
Okay, just one moment. Okay, Miss Young, I have you step in. I notice you're in a car. Is it moving?
No, not at all.
Okay, are you prepared to stay there for a while until your case is concluded?
Yeah, I had to be to work at 12. Is it gonna be before 12?
I doubt it's serious. Oh yeah, it'll be before 12, I'm sure. Okay, just put your phone on mute. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room so that you can speak with the attorney about your case, okay?
Mm-hmm.
All right. And when you're finished talking to him, leave the breakout room, come back, press leave on your device. It'll bring you back to the courtroom. Then you'll go to a waiting room where the judge will bring you out when she's ready.
So press leave right now.
No. Okay, you probably didn't understand what I said. When you're finished with the attorney
Okay.
and you've decided what you're going to do about your case today, that's when you press leave.
Okay.
And then that'll bring you back to the courtroom. And then you'll automatically be placed into a waiting room.
Okay.
And you'll stay there until the judge is ready to hear your case.
Mhm.
I have a question. When somebody's on the phone, how do we get them out of the breakout room?
I'm not
He's
sure.
in that. I don't know how to get him out. He's in room 19 with the interpreter. So I told him to stay in there because I don't know how to get him out.
You know what?
Can you pull him out?
I've never done it before, but now's a good time for me to find out how to do that. He's in which
Okay, or
room? Which room?
room 19, room 19.
Okay.
So you want me to go in there or stay right here?
No, I'm gonna go in and try to get him out. I've
Okay,
never
the interpret.
anybody on the phone. I'm gonna try to see how to do it now.
Yeah, I usually have them pull them out from the courtrooms because I don't know how to pull them out.
There's some way that, they come out. It's, some attorneys have done it before, but let me see if I can figure.
I can get them out. I just bring them back to the courtroom. I tell him to come back to main session and he comes back and he's on the phone.
On the phone? Don't what they
Now, how do you, for instance, if an attorney is having to bring them?
I mean, she can't. She would just have to have us bring him back to the courtroom because we control it because it's on the phone.
Oh,
okay. Well,
I
then
thought
19 with the interpreter needs to come out of there.
I got him out.
I'm here.
Okay, did we get the interpreter?
Yeah, I got everybody out here. All I had to do was push a button.
Oh, okay.
All right, maybe Zoom ain't for us no more, y'all. Maybe we need to come back in person. I don't know what's going on, y'all. We've been doing this now for a year and a half, y'all.
Okay, hold on one second. I got another. Hold on, I got another one.
Attorney,
Your Honor.
No, we can do this one, okay? Stay in here, because I have an interpreter who I had to borrow.
Pero yo no tengo un accidente de nada.
Ok, aquí estamos, señor Zamudio. Ya viene la juez para oír nuestro caso.
Pero ¿por qué me está acusando de...?
No, señor, señor, discúlpeme, aquí no podemos hablar. Gracias.
Okay.
Madam Interpreter, I'm going to call the case, and then I will give you an opportunity to say it to him, and then I'll swear you in before we begin, okay?
Okay, Your Honor.
Now calling the matters of the people versus Francisco Zamundo. This is ticket number SP 1403764, count 2, defective windshield. Also calling ticket number SP 1403815, count 1, driver's license expired.
Estamos llamando al caso del pueblo contra el señor Francisco Javier Zamudio, caso número SP 140-3764, un parabrisas defectuoso, y el caso SP 140-38151.
All right, appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Sus comparecencias, por favor, para que comparezcan, para sus comparecencias, por favor, para que consten en el acta, empezando por la abogada.
Good morning, Melita Baird on behalf of Francisco Jamundo. We're asking for him to be set for a trial date.
Muy buenos días, Malita Barrett, representando al señor Zamudio, y nosotros estamos solicitando una nueva fecha para el juicio.
Sir, can you state your name for the record, please?
Señor, por favor, diga su nombre para que conste en el acta.
Francisco Javier Zamudio.
Francisco Javier Zamudio.
No, it's okay. Can you raise your right hand, please?
Señor, por favor, levante su mano derecha.
Madam Interpreter, can you
ok, señor, soy yo la que tiene que hacer eso, no usted. Sorry.
It's okay. Can you state your name for the record, please, ma'am?
Yes, my name is Emma Hernandez, Your Honor. I'm a SCAO qualified Spanish interpreter number 15575.
All right. And do you swear or affirm to translate the English to Spanish and the Spanish to English language to the best of your abilities?
I do, Your Honor.
All right, you can put your hand down, ma'am.
Thank you.
All right. Sir, did you have an opportunity to talk to the interpreter about your case and about your, to the attorney about your case and about your rights?
Señor, usted tuvo la oportunidad de hablar con su abogada en una sala de consulta privada y ella le informó que usted tenía el derecho a ir a juicio y otros derechos.
Sí.
Yes.
And it's my understanding you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before myself, is that correct?
Y entiendo que usted quiere tener un juicio por juez, que es un juicio en frente de mí solamente. Entiendo que es así.
Sí.
Yes.
So I'm going to set this for a bench trial on the date of August 14th at 9 a.m. August 14th at 9 a.m.
By Zoom, Your Honor.
By Zoom, yes, by Zoom.
Ok, ese día, señor, va a ser el 14 de agosto. 14 de agosto a las 9 de la mañana por Zoom, como hoy.
You need to figure out how to be able to be seen on Zoom though, sir. So for your trial, get with someone who can help you get physically on Zoom so I can see you.
Señor, para ese día del juicio, usted tiene que poder ser visto por Zoom. Entonces, por favor, busque a alguien que lo ayude con la conexión de Zoom ese día porque yo tengo que verlo.
Está bien.
It's okay.
All right, if nothing, we're all set. I'll set the bond at $0 and see him on August 14th, 2023.
Ok, señor, entonces, si no hay nada que agregar, yo le voy a poner una fianza de $0. $0 para verlo entonces sin falta el día 14 de agosto por Zoom aquí. Que tenga buen día.
Gracias.
Thank you.
All right, if there's nothing further, that concludes this hearing. Thank you.
Señor, si no hay más nada que agregar, esto concluye la audiencia. Se puede desconectar. Gracias. Thank you, Your Honor. Do you need me for anything else?
No, that was it. I was trying to get you out here because I know we didn't originally schedule you. So thank you so much.
Yeah. Thank you. You're welcome. Bye-bye. Nice to see you all.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Good to see you.
Excuse me, I need you to pull out room 17 because he's on the phone too.
Ready on that?
Demond Washington.
Okay. Are you ready on Mr. Washington?
Yes, he needs a new date.
Number 17. Is that who you mean, number 17?
Yes.
Where? Okay.
Good morning.
Are you just now signing in, Mr. Williams?
Yes, I am. I apologize.
Yeah.
All right, 8:45. Williams, why are you late?
I overslept.
All right. Let me see if I can put you into a breakout room where someone is able to talk to you about your case and about your rights. You're gonna have to be patient because they have spoken to so many other folks already. And so we're gonna do some of those cases and then they'll come in there and talk to you about your case and about your rights, okay?
All right.
So be patient and wait until they come in there and talk to you, okay?
All right.
All right, okay.
We're going to
Where?
Mr. Williams, number 22.
Damon, where? Did we already do his case? That's the one with the office.
Wait, which one?
Yeah, she wanted me to bring him out because he's on the phone, so I'm going to put him in the waiting room now.
Okay.
Or he just needs a new date.
Hold on.
Oh, that was.
Okay.
Oh, that was.
Damon, okay, all right.
I have some other people out here that are ready.
Okay, I was just gonna start calling them from the waiting
Oh,
room.
okay,
That's there, so I just start calling them. I have you bring them out, so that way when I know they're ready, and then I start calling them from the waiting room based on how I
What?
get the files. So that way we can
I have
split it up. Attorney Fillmore has some too, I'm sure.
Yeah, I sent them out here, so I guess I'll be calling.
Let me see what I have some files.
Do you want me to tell you or just pull
No, they're in here and I need them to stay in there because I may not have a file yet on them. So I'll pull them out
okay.
myself. Okay, all right. Joy Wells. Joy Wells, can you turn on your camera for me, ma'am?
Hello.
Now calling the matter, hello, now calling the matter of People versus Joy Alicia Wells. This is ticket SP 1403116. Count 1, drive unregistered untitled vehicle. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Jim Fillmore on behalf of Ms. Wells. Ma'am, would you please say your name?
Joy Wells.
Your Honor, Ms. Wells was able, Jesus, sorry. Ms. Wells was able to provide valid documentation this morning. She emailed me a digital copy of her insurance for her 2010 Jeep, as well as a valid registration. So I would ask the court to dismiss these matters.
So at this time, being an officer of the court, having seen valid documentation, the court is going to grant your request. I'm going to dismiss these matters without prejudice. Ms. Wells, make sure to keep everything valid, up to date, and in your vehicle at all times, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
You're welcome. If there's nothing further, you're all set.
Thank you.
I have a trial that he wants to go. Oh, okay. Tell him that we're gonna do it at the end. Tell him that it's gonna buy somebody or something. Okay. Miss Wiggins?
Yes.
All right. Now calling the matter of People versus Lorna Wiggins. This is ticket SP 1235013. Count 1, driver's license never acquired. Count 2, drive unregistered untitled vehicle. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number SP 1373507. Count 1, drove while license suspended. Count 2, failed to stop for a stop sign. Ticket number SP 13, these may not be on the docket, Attorney Fillmore.
They're not.
SP 1309325, count 1, drive while license suspended. Ticket number SP 1240341, drove while license suspended. Ticket number SP 1245291, drove while license suspended. Ticket SP 1245292, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel.
Good morning, Your Honor. Jim Fillmore on behalf of Ms. Wiggins. Ma'am, would you please say your name?
Lenora Wiggins.
And Your Honor, we did have there was a plea offer that was accounted for the 3 matters that are on today's docket, and Ms. Wiggins was going to accept that plea offer, but the remaining counts of the court just read off are not in the plea offer, and I was not aware of them.
All right. It'll probably be in your best interest, ma'am, to come back for another day so that we can handle all of your tickets at one time. Otherwise, you'll have to come back and just keep getting different offers and new offers.
I was just trying to see if I'm gonna be able to get my license.
Now, until you handle these driving while license suspended yet, I can tell you no. So if you want to hold tight, I'll try and get someone from the prosecutor's office to see if they can come down here, try and write you a comprehensive offer, because what's going to happen is that you may resolve a couple today, but the ones that are pending will still be there until you come back and resolve them, so you wouldn't be able to try and get your license.
Okay.
Okay. All right. You want to hold tight or you want a new day?
Go on the whole, our whole time.
Okay, all right, we'll put her back in the breakout room. I'll try and find somebody to turn the film on.
Thank you, Honor.
Marcel Watkins. You unmute yourself, Mr. Watkins?
Okay.
All right. Now calling the matter of People versus Marcel Watkins. This is ticket SP 1303495, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Jim Fillmore on behalf of Mr. Wilkins. Sir, would you please say your name?
Marcel Wilkins.
And Your Honor, Mr. Wilkins is on the show cause docket, and we're actually asking for one pretrial date so that he's going to get his documentation together at the next court date. So I'm asking for a pretrial date.
He also has a ticket with that for 16 to 20 miles over posted speed that went into default. Do you have a motion right now, Attorney Fillmore?
Your Honor, if I could ask the court to set aside that default, and then he could adjudicate that at the next hearing as well. Thank you.
This time the court's going to set aside that default, and I'm going to set it on the same pretrial date. Of July 24th, sir, July 24th at 8:30 a.m. I'll set your bond at $0 personal, okay? I'll see you July 24th, 8:30 a.m., okay?
Okay.
All right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
All right, I will. Why did she end up back in there? Why didn't she go to a breakout room? Ricardo Woods? You gotta mute yourself.
Yes, ma'am. Ricardo Woods.
You got a lot of noise in your background. You're gonna have to find some place where it's not as noisy.
I'm in dialysis.
Yes.
All right,
So-
put yourself.
He can't get any quieter.
I'm in dialysis.
I know he could just put himself on mute though, because we're not gonna be able to take a record of it.
Okay.
Put it on mute.
Yes. All right, now calling the matter of People versus Ricardo Lamar Woods. This is ticket number SP 1335516. Count 1, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, improper plates. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Melita Baird on behalf of Ricardo Woods. Judge, he's asking for a not guilty plea and a new court date.
And Mr. Woods, can you unmute yourself briefly and state your name, please?
Ricardo Woods.
All right, put yourself back on mute. All right, at this time, the court is going to, at this time, the court's going to enter a plea of not guilty on behalf of your client. How are we proceeding today?
Not guilty plea, new court date.
Just a regular pretrial?
Yes.
Okay. All right, I'm gonna set this matter. I'm gonna set this matter for a pretrial date on the day of July 24th, sir. July 24th, 2023. It's gonna be at 8:30 a.m. Sir, July 24th is a Monday. Do you get dialysis on Monday, sir? Unmute yourself and tell me. Let me unmute you. Unmute you. You gotta hit the phone.
A Tuesday or Thursday would be better.
A Tuesday or Thursday would be better. How about you come see me on July 25th then, okay?
Okay.
All right, I'll see you then, sir.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, I'll set it for July 25th, so hopefully it doesn't interfere with this dialysis. All right, if there's nothing further, we're all set on that one. Do, say, Mom, where?
They talk to me.
Mr. Ware?
Mr. Washington, it's Washington. Washington, ma'am.
Washington, thank you. That's why I was looking like, okay, all right. Am I on Washington?
Yes.
Okay. All right, now calling the matter of the people versus Demond Washington. This is ticket number C4889211. This is one count of no operator's license on person. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Melita Beard on behalf of Demond Washington. He's asking for a not guilty plea pretrial date.
All right, Mr. Washington, can you state your name for the record?
Yes, my name is Demond Jamal Washington.
All right, Mr. Washington, so this has been set aside, meaning that we had some automatic expungements that took place back in April 11th, and this is one of the cases because it was more than 7 years old. And so this case has been automatically set aside by this court, so you are all set, sir. You don't have to come back and see me. Congratulations and good luck to you, okay?
Oh, I'm getting my license again.
You can. I was about to say you can apply to get your license again. That's one of the things that got set aside. So go see, make an appointment with the Secretary of State's office because it's been set aside, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Okay, you too. Yes. License back on the dick.
Sir, watch your language. I can still hear you.
No, I said license back on deck.
Oh, deck. I thought you said a bad word. Okay, you good.
No,
all right.
no, I don't talk like that, ma'am.
Mr. Washington,
All right,
that's right. I'm excited about that because I know it's been a long time. So get your license.
I got grandbabies.
All right.
Okay.
Listen, get your license so you can drive. Give me that back. Okay. This one back. Yeah. Well, Crystal Ware. Got confused because last name said Ware. Taking a moment for her to come in for some reason. Doreen Washington, I'll try and get her. Doreen Washington. Miss Washington.
Yes, ma'am. Oh my God. Can you hear me?
Yeah, but I hope that's not your hair for court.
Beg your pardon?
I said, I hope that's not a do-rag on your head for court.
No, ma'am.
Okay. All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Doreen Washington. This is ticket SP 1281034. Count 1, improper plates. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. I don't know if the other 2 tickets made it because they're civil infractions. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Melita Beard on behalf of Doreen Washington. Judge, she's asking for a not guilty pretrial date.
All right. At this time, the court's going to enter a plea of not guilty on your client's behalf. Ma'am, I'm going to set the date for July 25th. July 25th. No, 24th. I'm sorry. July 24th. 2/4. July 24th at 8:30 a.m. I'm going to set your bond at $0 personal, okay?
Okay.
All right, on your phone, if you swipe over to the left, so if you swipe from left to right and you see that safe mode, do you see it on your phone? I'm trying to help you get the volume. Swipe over from left to right. You see that black screen? All the way. Keep swiping until you see a black screen with a circle in the middle. You see it? Don't hit the mute. Unmute it. But what you do at the top in the left corner, just hit it. It'll make it louder. for next time. All right, Ms. Washington, you're all set. I'll see you July 24th, okay?
Okay.
All right, see you then, ma'am, okay?
Okay.
All right. Let's get Crystal Ware in here. Well, that's her phone, it must have froze. Crystal Ware? Ms. Ware's trying to connect to audio.
She was here.
Hello? Yeah,
She was.
I got kicked out.
She got kicked out. Yeah, I figured as much. All right. Ms.
Put her
Ware,
in
you able to take your hat for court real briefly?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. All right. Now, call the.
I'm sorry. I was gonna, I should put her in the breakout room or waiting room?
No, she's already been spoken to. She just accidentally jumped off because her phone kicked her out.
Okay, then I'll put her in the waiting room.
No. I called her in. Isn't she on our docket for today? Didn't you finish talking? Didn't someone talk to her already?
Yes, I was talked to.
Okay, I thought so. Yeah, no. She just, it sometimes when it spins too long, it'll kick them off and then they have to log back on. So she was already on my list of people to call. Okay. All right, now calling the matter of People versus Crystal Ware. This is ticket SP 1346379. Count 1, improper plates. Count 2, drive unregistered, untitled vehicle. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, please, starting with counsel.
Good morning, Marlena Baird on behalf of Crystal Ware. Judge, she's asking for a not guilty pretrial date.
All right. Ma'am, can you state your name for the record, please?
Crystal Ware.
All right, Ms. Ware. It's my understanding I'm going to enter a plea of not guilty on behalf of you. I'm going to set the date for your pretrial on the date of July 24th. July 24th at 8:30 a.m. I'm going to set your bond at $0 personal. Okay, ma'am?
Thank you.
You're welcome. I'll see you then, okay?
See you July 24th, 8:30.
See you then, okay?
Thank you. Bye-bye.
All right, Mr. Williams, why did you come out the room?
My attorney just told me to.
I told
Okay,
you to,
I just want to make sure you're following directions, okay?
So, and Your Honor, while I have you, he does want to take a plea offer. I mean, I have to find a prosecutor, or I'm certain what the plea would be on this matter. I told him it'd be the one count of improper plates, very likely. So
You want to do improper plates? That's fine with me.
oh,
Okay, all right.
yeah, whatever.
Do improper plates. All right. He was about to get his little head bit off. I thought he was being impatient. I'm gonna call him in a minute though. He gonna have to hold tight for a second.
Yeah,
He
yeah.
knows about improper plates though?
Yes.
All right. Give me 1 second, y'all. Tyrus Williams is next. Tyrus Williams.
Yes, ma'am.
Now calling the matter of People versus Tyrus Curtis Williams. This is ticket SP 1321444. Count 1, drove while license suspended. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Marlena Baird on behalf of Tyrus Williams. Judge, I guess he can say his name before I go on.
Tyrus Williams.
Judge, he presented to me his license and also valid insurance. We make a motion that his matters be dismissed.
So the only thing with it, I see his offer, that default of 16 to 20 miles posted speed is gonna remain.
Okay.
Want
Did
to
you hear
keep that?
Yes, ma'am. I understand.
You know, that comes with points. If you fled today, though, the improper plates, you wouldn't have any points.
Well, okay. Back up a second. Judge, he better, you probably need to take the improper place, sir, so you don't get any points.
Okay.
It's 4 points.
Yeah, we need to back that.
I'll take the improper plate.
All right.
Because my chauffeur's license, I need those to stay kind of good.
Please I understand. Please raise your right hand, sir. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can put your hand down. Sir, did you have an opportunity to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes, ma'am.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in the meantime? Do you understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes.
All right, I'm going to take your attention back to the date of March 1st of 2022, sir. Were you driving a Dodge vehicle in the area of Hubble and Plymouth in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And while you're driving that vehicle, at that point in time, did you not have any car insurance on your vehicle?
Correct.
All right, satisfied, counsel?
Yes.
Stipulation for probable cause and the remaining counts to be dismissed?
So stipulated.
So at this time, the court's going to enter a plea to the amended charge of improper plates. The remaining 2 counts on this ticket will be dismissed. Sir, my fine is $200. Typically, you will have 30 days to pay that. Is that going to be enough time for you?
Yes, that's fine.
Okay, so I'll give you until June 5th, 2023 to pay this, okay?
Okay.
All right, you also have in default from, it looks like a little while ago, some other speeding tickets and disregard of signal red or amber. You need to check into those, sir.
Okay, I knew that was gonna try to come up. I have my receipts and stuff for that right here.
For some reason, it's still coming up. So if you have some free time, come down to the court to make sure, because it's still coming up as you haven't paid yet. So I don't know what happened. Okay?
Okay, I got my ticket right here. Okay.
Absolutely. That's a good thing to keep your receipts, okay?
All right.
All right, sir. I just want to let you know, because I don't want no issues. You got to keep that good license, okay?
Thank you.
All right. There's nothing further. You're all set, sir. Thank you.
All right, have a good day.
You too. Thank you.
Thank you.
Ward. Ward. Mr. Ward. Mr. Ward.
Oh, I'm sorry, it was on mute. Yes.
Now calling the matter of the people versus Hiram Ward. This is ticket SP 1283389, count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number SP 1427861, count 1, defective or missing equipment, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Jim Fillmore on behalf of Mr. Ward. Sir, would you please say your name?
Hiram Ward.
And Your Honor, Mr. Ward was able to provide valid documentation. He did show me a valid proof of insurance for a 2004 Chevy Silverado that expires in September of this year. And as to the defective equipment matter, Mr. Ward did go down, he's at the top of the Renaissance Center. He went down to the street level and turned on his headlights. It showed me that that headlight had been replaced on that same Silverado. So I would ask the court to dismiss all these matters.
All right. An officer of the court having seen valid documentation, the court is going to grant your request. I'm going to dismiss these matters without prejudice. Sir, make sure you always keep that insurance up to date valid, okay?
I think he's frozen again.
Okay, all right, that concludes the hearing.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. You know, I need to bring this young man in. I'm gonna have him call. Mr. Young? Mr. Ward, you're all set. I just lectured you about keeping that insurance up to date, please, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you're all set. You can go ahead and log.
Thank you, Your Honor. You have a wonderful weekend, and happy Mother's Day if I don't get a chance to tell you.
All right, I appreciate that. You have a wonderful weekend yourself, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Bye-bye. Mr. Young?
Yeah.
Okay, can you call the courtroom? I'm gonna give you the phone number for the program. They don't seem to be in today, but we're going to get you squared away, okay, sir?
Okay. I'm about to call right now.
Yeah, call the courtroom. We're gonna give you the phone number and then you can call them so that we can get you in that program and they'll help you with your tickets, okay, as well as with your other situation, okay, sir?
Okay.
All right. Have a good day. I'll talk to you later.
Okay.
So this is so
Excuse me, this is Corporal Spidell. Is the prosecutor available?
we don't have a prosecutor. That's what we've been trying to get. Our prosecutor is off. And so they called, they said they were supposed to send us someone and we haven't received them yet.
Okay. I
Okay.
just have to sign into well, I've already signed in. I gotta check back with my other courtroom.
Do we have your number? If you can, just give us a call in our courtroom and leave your number for us, because I'm sure they have it though, but.
Okay, I'll do that.
Okay, thank you.
No problem.
All right. Is Terrence White yours? Attorney Fillmore?
Yes, Judge. He's asking for a trial date.
Terrence White is here.
Okay, hold on a second, sir.
I'm sorry.
Okay, turn on your camera too, please. All right. Sir, do you have a hat on your head? Is that a beautiful afro? There we go. All right. And he has some tickets that are currently in default too that I'm gonna call. We can just set it off for the same day. Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Now calling the matter of People versus Terrence White. This is ticket SP 1349911. One count discharge firearm. Also calling in warrant status, tickets number SP 1145412. Count 1, driver's license expired. Count 2, drive unregistered untitled vehicle. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Jim Fillmore on behalf of Mr. White. Mr. White, would you please say your name?
Terrence White.
Your Honor, the matter on the docket, Mr. White is asking for a bench trial. And as to the matters that are in warrant status, I would ask the court to recall those warrants and also set those for the same trial date.
This time the court's going to enter a plea of not guilty on behalf of your client. Those cases that are in warrant status will be taken out of warrant status and put in not guilty plea status as well. Sir, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
You can put your hand out. Sir, did you have a chance to talk to the attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes, ma'am.
And it's my understanding you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of facts. Is that right, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I'm going to set it for the date of August 14th. August 14th at 9 a.m. via Zoom. I'll see you then, okay, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, if there's nothing further, bond set at $0, August 14th, 9 a.m., sir.
Okay.
All right, have a good day.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You too. Thank you.
I will, thank you.
Judge,
Yes.
a couple of people signed into Zoom. Do you want to just stay until you're finished with all the cases you're gonna call?
With a Shannon Walker and an iPhone, so I do want Shannon Walker in here.
I'm gonna go across the street.
Attorney Walker?
Yes, Judge, good morning.
Good
Hello.
morning, how are you?
Yeah.
Hello, ma'am. Hold on one second, Attorney Walker. Ma'am on the iPhone, what's your name?
Lenore Wiggins.
All right, Miss Wiggins. Yeah, I know you've been waiting, Miss Wiggins.
Yeah.
We got we have someone here now, though.
Okay.
And we're gonna get you into a breakout room so they can talk to you about a new offer, okay?
Okay, thank you.
I'm gonna put you in breakout room number 2 or 3. I accidentally put you in 3. All right, Attorney Walker, we have a trial. It's Officer Corporal Spadell. He had to sign off to check into another courtroom. So I had that trial, and then we need an offer on Lenore Wiggins. She has some additional cases that weren't on the docket for today that are in warrant status. They're affecting her ability to get her license because there's some license suspended. She has 3 warrant tickets that are driving while license suspended, as well as a no insurance misdemeanor. Her tickets on the docket were driver's license that required, drive unregistered untitled vehicle, no insurance misdemeanor. She also has a driver's license, driving while license suspended, and then a failed to stop for a stop sign.
Okay, Judge, which attorney is handling her matter? I see 2.
Attorney Phil, is it?
Fillmore?
Phil? Yeah, I think so. Thank you.
Okay, can I be put in a breakout room with him and I can discuss it?
You can. And can y'all also talk about the case for today? It's going to be Troy Young.
Troy Young, and what is the charge on that, Judge?
It was refiled a couple of times. It is an accident. Driver failed to use their due care and caution. as well as to leave the scene of an accident property damage.
Okay, if I could be put in a breakout room, please.
Absolutely. Attorney Fillmore, I'm gonna have you handle these couple of matters real quick so we can find us a resolution. If y'all could go to breakout room number 1, please.
Yes, Judge.
That would be fantastic.
And this is for Ms. Wiggins and Mr. Young, right?
Yes, it is. Thank you. And any other ones you may have at this point in time.
All right, thank you.
All right. You should have all 5. Joanna Woods?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you just now checking in about 15 minutes ago?
Huh?
Were you just checking in for the first time about 15 minutes ago?
Oh,
No,
no,
I've been
Judge.
no,
She's-
I've been on
she's-
here since early this morning.
She just needs a new date.
Okay. I don't know. All right, let me find out which Antonio Williams this is. Too. Antonio Williams?
Yes,
Can you turn on your camera for me? What's your middle name, sir?
it is Terry.
Okay. Terry? Okay.
Yep.
Cool. All right.
Oh, they're right there. They're outside.
Everything but the damn.
Oh, Judge, may I have just one more moment with Mr. Fillmore?
Of course. Go ahead.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Where are we going? 1?
Which room were we in?
I think we're in 1.
Okay.
Ms. Wiggins, did the attorney tell you to come out?
Yes, I spoke with the attorney. Yes.
Judge, I believe we're ready on both city matters.
Okay. If you need to go, it might be a moment. Just give me 2 seconds.
Okay.
All right. There's about to be a lot of people on the screen. Sorry, hold on one second. Ms. Wiggins?
Yes.
All right. Recalling the matter of people versus Lorna Wiggins. These matters were called on this record previously. We stopped to see if we could get some type of global resolution on all of these tickets. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please, for the city.
Shannon Walker, P 53794 on behalf of the people.
Good morning, Your Honor. Jim Fillmore on behalf of Ms. Wiggins. Ms. Wiggins, would you please say your name?
Lenora Stell Wiggins.
And Your Honor, we did reach a resolution on all these matters, and Ms. Wiggins will be pleading guilty to 2 counts of failure to display license. The remaining matters would all be dismissed.
That is correct, Judge.
All right, if you want to take advantage of that, Ms. Wiggins, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or jury trial in these matters? You understand that?
Yes.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today, Ms. Wiggins?
Yes.
All right, I'm going to take you first back to the date of, let's go with this one, September the 9th of 2021, ma'am. Were you in the area of Hayden and 8 Mile in the city of Detroit driving a Dodge vehicle?
Yes.
And while you were driving that vehicle, had you never acquired your driver's license at that time?
No.
All right. Also going to bring your attention to the date of July 29th of 2022. Were you driving a Dodge vehicle in the area of Paul and Stahalin Streets in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
Were you driving while your license was suspended at the time?
Yes.
All right, satisfied, counsel?
I'm satisfied, Your Honor.
Court is satisfied as well. As there a stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed?
So stipulated.
So at this time, the court's going to enter a plea to the amended charge of fail to display on both counts. The remaining counts called on this record today will be dismissed. Ma'am, my fine for each ticket is $200. How long would that take you to pay? 60 or 90 days?
Well, right now I'm not currently working because I'm pregnant. So I would say 90 days. I'll try to get it paid before the
When are you expecting?
September 26th.
All right. I'm gonna give you until August 7th, 2023, okay?
Okay.
All right, good luck to you, ma'am, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Good luck to you during your pregnancy. All right, and are we ready on Mr. Young too?
Yes, Judge, it'll be a
Yes, Your Honor.
dismissal.
Okay, all right. You know Corporal Spadell checked in, right?
I do, Judge. I've spoken with him.
Okay, I just want to make sure. All right. Troy Young? He signed off for a second.
I pressed the wrong button. My apologies.
Judge, we can't hear you.
I said, it's okay, Mr. Young, thank you. Now calling the matter of the people versus Troy Young. This is ticket SP 1353523. Count 1, accident. Driver failed to use due care of caution. Count 2, leave scene of accident, property damage. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Shannon Walker, P 53794 on behalf of the people.
Good morning, Your Honor. Jim Fillmore on behalf of Troy Young. And Mr. Young, would you please say your name?
Troy Young.
Judge, this is the date and time set for trial. The issuing officer, Officer Spidell, did appear. However, the other person involved in the accident did not appear. Officer Spidell did do his due diligence in trying to reach that person. The address that was listed is a vacant house now. He has no means to contact that person. The people cannot proceed. Would ask this court to dismiss this matter without prejudice.
Well, Attorney Walker, this is the 4th time I think he's come back to court. It's been dismissed and reissued, dismissed and reissued a few times. So at this time, the court's going to dismiss this matter, but I'm going to dismiss it with prejudice at this point in time.
People would just note their objection for the record as there's been no adjudication of the merits, which would be required for a with prejudice dismissal, Judge.
I understand.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. All right. Have a good day, Mr. Young.
Can I ask you a question, ma'am?
Yes.
What does that mean? Prejudice? I didn't understand.
I know.
Prejudice.
So what it means essentially is that they would like the opportunity to bring this matter up again and were they ever to find the people who were involved. But I noted for the record and for the court that at this point in time, this is the 3rd or 4th time. I would have to look in the notes to make sure, but you've been here for all the hearings and they haven't appeared and they've reissued them. So the court's going to dismiss it with prejudice, which means they can't refile it.
Okay, thank you so much. I really appreciate you and you enjoy your weekend.
You too. Thank you so much. Have a great day.
You too, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you. All right. Thank you, Attorney Walker. You better make the record. I appreciate it.
And I'll get something in the mail, correct?
No. So in a couple of days, go online, you can print it out and it'll show that it was dismissed, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Right, will affect your job, so, okay, get that so they know. You're welcome.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome.
Judge, are there any other matters that need my attention?
Attorney Fillmore, are you all set?
I believe I am. Thank you, Ms. Walker.
All right, thank you, Judge.
Hold on, I got one more attorney. Attorney Barrett, did you need to talk to her about anything before she leaves?
No.
Okay, all right, cool. You're good. Thank you.
All right, thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Joanne Wood, I don't know how you
Oh, no, yeah, really just May 17th. So these other dates are her payment arrangements date. So May 17th.
Ms. Woods?
Yes, ma'am.
You have another court date with me on May 17th, is that right?
Yes, ma'am.
And you got payment arrangements for a good chunk of your tickets already put in place?
Yes, ma'am. I paid $1,500 May 2 days ago at 36 district.
What was the recommendation, Attorney Barrett, for her case that's on the docket today? Because she has a lot of cases on the 17th.
I was going to get her a new date so she could handle everything.
Ms. Woods, come back on the 17th and we're gonna put all your cases together. I'm gonna see if I can get you see if they'll offer you something really good since you're already in a payment plan. I wanna make sure they know that you're paying and you're in a payment plan, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so can you come back May 17th for me?
Yes, ma'am. What time, Your Honor?
At 8:30. I'm gonna put it on the record real quick, okay, Ms. Woods?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
You're welcome, Ms. Woods. I'm gonna see what we can do, okay? I do see that you're trying to make a ton of efforts, and we appreciate that, okay?
Yes, ma'am. And I got my license back. I'm just waiting for them in the mail. I took care of that yesterday.
Now. That's what I like to hear. I see that
Yes,
excitement in your voice too. All right. All right.
Your Honor, I took my school money and paid that. I just wanted to get it out the way, Your Honor. I'm trying to do right. I'm homeless. I'm staying with my mom right now, so I'm trying to do better.
Ms. Woods, but I want you to have what you need too. So you need to go to school. Give me 1 second, okay?
Okay. Thank you.
Now calling the matter of People versus Joanne and Regina Woods. This is ticket SP 1356232. Count 1 drove while license suspended. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Melita Barrett on behalf of Joanne Woods. Judge, she's asking for a new court date.
All right, Ms. Woods, can you state your name for the record, please?
Joanne Regina Woods.
All right, Ms. Woods. The one count that was on the docket today was for a drove while license suspended. And guess what? Your license is valid now. Counsel,
Yes,
do you have a
ma'am.
motion? Just concerning this one ticket?
We make a motion that be dismissed with valid documentation.
All right, at this time, the court's going to grant that request. I'm going to dismiss this ticket because she now has valid documentation of her license. All right, Ms. Woods, you still have to come back on the 17th though to handle the rest of your tickets, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we'll see you then, Ms. Woods. Congratulations on that, getting that license.
Thank you.
It should be coming in the mail. It's going to be valid, so I'm excited for you.
Yes, I am too.
All right. Good luck to you, Ms. Woods. We'll see you on the 17th. Don't forget, because you got to still handle those other ones, okay?
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. Mikhail Williams. Mute you.
Hello.
Hello. Now calling the matter of People versus Mikhail Williams. This is ticket SP 1354227. Count 1, driver's license, drive unregistered untitled vehicle. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Jim Fillmore on behalf of Mr. Williams. Sir, would you please say your name?
Mikhail Williams.
And Your Honor, we do have a resolution in this matter. Mr. Williams will be pleading guilty to 1 count of improper plates, and the remaining count will be dismissed.
If that's the case, sir, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Sir, did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten, force you, or
Nope.
promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or jury trial in these matters? You understand that?
Yes.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes.
All right, sir, I want to bring you back to the date of May 23rd, 2022, sir. Were you in the area of Lasher or Losser in the city of Detroit and West 7 Mile driving a Chevy vehicle?
Yes.
And while you're driving that vehicle, was it no car insurance on it at the time?
Yes.
Yes, it was not.
It was no car insurance.
All right, cool. All right, satisfied, counsel?
I'm satisfied, Your Honor.
Stipulation for probable cause on the remaining count to be dismissed?
So stipulated. Thank you.
All right, so at this time, the court's going to enter 1 count to improper plates. The remaining count on this record will be dismissed. Sir, my fine is $200. How long will that take you to pay? 30 or 60 days?
60. I just started a new job today, so
Fantastic. Congratulations, okay?
thank you.
All right, I'll give you until July 5th, okay? July 5th. You don't have to pay it all at once, too. You can make some payments on it. So if you get like $50, then it'll equal the 200 sooner than you think, okay?
Alrighty.
All right, you're all set, Mr. Williams. Have a good day.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. Antonio Williams?
Yes.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Antonio Terry Williams. This is ticket SP 1305444. Count 1, drive unregistered untitled vehicle. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Jim Fillmore on behalf of Mr. Williams. Sir, would you please say your name?
Antonio Williams.
Your Honor, Mr. Williams is asking for a bench trial in these matters.
All right. If that's the case, sir, can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Mr. Williams, did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
And it's my understanding you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of facts. Is that correct, sir?
Yes.
All right. I'm going to set this for the date of August 14th.
August 14th.
August 14th at 9 a.m. via Zoom. I'm going to set your bond at $0 personal, okay?
All right. Cool. Appreciate it, Your Honor.
You're welcome. All right, if there's nothing further, you're all set. Thank you.
All right. Thanks. Y'all have a great weekend.
You too. Thank you.
Okay, thanks. Bye.
Bye-bye. Martell Williams is the next one. Martell Williams?
Yes.
Can you turn your camera on for me, please?
Yep. 1 second. I'm trying to.
I see it's only 2 on the docket, but I have 5 cases total, Attorney Fillmore, just so you.
Oh, well, I don't think we got to all those.
It's expired plates, no proof of insurance, and drove while license not valid or improper. Those cases aren't due on my docket until June 16th, but what's the offer as of today?
The offer was to 1 failure to display and where is it? I'm looking for his name. It was just a one count of failure to display and, oh yeah. Oh, wait, this is Martel. I can't find his name right now, Your Honor. It was just a one count of failure to display and the other count will be dismissed.
Okay.
Why can't I find him? Oh, there he is.
How about one count failed to display, one count expired plate?
All righty. Where'd he go? Oh. Should we go in a breakout room or can I just explain it to him here?
What do you want to do? You want to go in the breakout room and discuss that with him? I have one more case, or you could just do it here if you want.
Mr. Williams, so you had a few other matters that are scheduled for later on next month, June 16th, I believe the judge said.
Uh-huh.
So we're gonna try and handle all those right now if you want to do that. So there were 3 other tickets, and so they're offering to, if you plead guilty to one additional item, which would be another improper plates, which is also 0 points, the other 2 tickets would be dismissed in those matters. Want to do that?
Expired plates.
Expired plates, excuse me.
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right, we're ready, Your Honor.
All right. Now calling the matter of People versus Martell Williams. This is ticket SP 1387372. Count 1 failed to display. Count 2 failed to stop for a stop sign. Also calling tickets number SP 1425296. Count 1 expired plates. Count 2 no proof of insurance. Count 3 drove while license was not valid or improper license. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Jim Fillmore on behalf of Mr. Williams. Sir, would you please say your name?
Martell Williams.
And Your Honor, we do have a resolution, and Mr. Williams will be pleading guilty pursuant to our discussion. That would be 1 count of failure to display license and 1 count of expired plates.
All right, sir. If you want to take advantage of that offer, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can put your hand down, sir. Mr. Williams, you had a chance to talk to Attorney Fillmore about your case and about your rights.
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in these matters? You understand that, sir?
Yes.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes.
All right, sir, I'm going to take your attention back to the date of September the 6th of 2022. At that time, sir, were you driving a Chevy vehicle in the area of East State Fair and Anvil Streets in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And did you fail to display a valid operator's license to the officer who stopped you?
Yes.
All right, in reading from the ticket to establish a factual basis, on the date of January 20th of 2023, in the area of Gratiot and Loretto Streets in the city of Detroit, that's Loretto. Mr. Williams was driving a Chevy vehicle with expired plates. Satisfied, counsel?
I'm satisfied, Your Honor.
The court is satisfied as well. Is there a stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed?
So stipulated, thank you.
All right, so at this time, the court's going to enter a plea to the amended charge of, going to enter a plea as charged to fail to display and 1 count expired plates. Sir, the expired plate is $145 fine. Typically, you have 14 days to pay that fine. Is that enough time for you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so we'll have that one due 5/19/23. On the remaining ticket, I'm going to charge you $200. But I'm going to give you until July 5th to have that paid, okay?
Okay.
All right, the remaining tickets have been dismissed, okay?
Thank you.
And you don't have to come back in June. So you're all, don't get any more tickets, Mr. Williams.
Sure am not.
Okay, all right. You're all set then. We'll see you later, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
All right, you too.
All right, bye-bye.
Bye.
All right, bye. There's Young. Mr. Young? unmute yourself for me, okay? Unmute, you see me?
Okay, you said I'm in. Can you hear me now?
Yep, I can hear you now, okay? Let me call your case, okay?
Okay.
Now calling the matters of the people versus Parrish Lee Young. This is ticket SP 1136620. Count 1, drove while license not valid or improper license. Are you riding in the car?
No, I'm a passenger.
I know, but I said, are you riding?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so I'm hoping we don't lose reception, because sometimes we lose reception, sir. I really like her to pull over to the side if she can.
Okay, keep pull over to the side.
It won't take too long. Okay, Mr. Young, I know you gotta get to, how far are you from your work?
Right in front of the mattress.
How far are you from your work, sir?
Excuse me?
How far are you from your work?
Not far. I'm parking in this ma'am.
Okay.
Judge, he just wants a new court date, pre-trial.
Okay, cool. I'm gonna give her a new pre-trial. Okay. All right. Calling the matters of the people versus Parrish Young. This is ticket SP 1136620. This is count 1, drove while license not valid or improper license. Ticket number SP 1186956. Count 1, improper plates. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, drove while license suspended. Ticket number and warrant status, ticket number 173373091. 1 count driver's license never acquired. Also in warrant status, ticket number SP 1260858. Count 1, no operator's license on person. Count 2, drive a registered untitled vehicle. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Melita Baird on behalf of Parrish Young. Judge, he's asking for not guilty pleas and a pretrial date.
And Ms. Young, can you state your name for the record, please?
Parrish Lee Young.
Okay, all right. So the middle name is Lee, correct?
Correct.
All right, ma'am, I'm gonna set this for a pretrial on the date of July 24th, 2023. That's gonna be at 8:30 a.m. The cases that are currently in warrant status, I'm gonna take out a warrant status and put a not guilty plea on your behalf on all of those tickets. I'll see you back.
Thank you,
July
ma'am.
20. Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Thank you, ma'am. I'll see you then. Okay.
No problem. Thank you.
All right. Have a good day. Bond set at $0. You're all set.
All right.
All right. Bye-bye. Thank you, ma'am, for pulling over too. Thank you.
You said thank you.
You're welcome.
All right. God bless. All right. Bye-bye. All right. Let me close out the breakout rooms. I think that's everybody though.